Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix crouching delay on Fortnite. It's quite easy and straightforward, and it will take you a couple of seconds to fix that. Right, so the first thing we need to do here, you need to open up settings. So if you're using PC, it's escape button. If you're using PS4, PS5 is I believe options button, or you can simply press on the profile icon here. Then you need to go to settings here, then settings again. Then you need to look for a controller button here, and that is on the middle menu. And then you should see here slide the whole time. And for me, it's selected 50 seconds. So you just need to select to make it to 01, right? And then apply the changes, and your crouching delay should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.